We are back again here at our new listing at 210 East 2nd Street here in Volga, South Dakota. Hi guys, thank you for watching again here. You got to check this home out. In a small town, small knit community, friendly people. This home is sitting right in the middle of everything you need here. But the nice thing about it too is everything's been redone. Down from the floor up to the ceiling, cabinets, everything in this kitchen's been redone. We got a 3/4 bathroom, new flooring, and a single stall garage that's detached with alley access. But before we show you this house, let's take a look at Volga and what it has to offer you.
Volga, South Dakota is a small knit town just a few miles from Brookings, South Dakota. Great neighborhoods, wonderful restaurants, and a downtown that has everything at your fingertips. Volga also boasts wonderful parks for the family to play in, top-notch schools, and one of the city's biggest employer, the South Dakota soybean plant. 210 East 2nd Street with alley access. Completely remodeled. Including this beautiful kitchen, dining room with accent wall, a 3/4 bathroom, and a nice sized living room with 2 bedrooms, one on each level. This equals almost 775 finished square feet on this remodeled house.
So as you can see, Volga, South Dakota is a perfect place if you're ready to get started with your new adventures, maybe a fresh start. This home is perfect for you. So give us a call. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.